So the practical number 4, implement a program for if-else control structure. So in this practical, we will be studying if-else control structure. In that, we will be studying, demonstrate the use of if statement, if-else statement. Okay. The syntax for if statement, everyone know about the C language. It is same. Okay. The syntax for the if condition, then, okay, means we will be providing if, then the condition, and then the syntax is then the statements which are going to execute it. Then else, if, we can also take else. Okay, this is a ladder. We will see this in practical. Okay, so the practical practical number 4. So this is your practical number 4. In that, you can see, write a program using a if-else statement. Okay, we are writing a program using a if-else statement. So how to write? In this program, you can see, okay, this program is done on the console. There are two types, console and wave form. Console form. So I have declared the variable, then console.writeLine, enter the number, and I have read the number. If the number is greater than 0, then it will print number is positive. If the number is less than 0, then it will be negative. Okay, so this is your program. Okay, this is our program for finding out the number is positive or negative. So I will write this first simple program, then we will go in another program. Okay, so there are two types. We can do this on the console and also on the waveform. So first we will try it on a console. So take file, new project. Okay, see, you can see Windows Form application, Visual Basic, and third one is console application. So we will be performing on the console application. Okay, so you will be also know about the console application, how to do the program on the console application. So I will take a console application. Okay, this one, see. Okay, I have selected console application. In console application, there will be no GUI part. Huh? Means जसं आपण फॉर्म डिझायनिंग वगैरे करतो ते कन्सोल मध्ये नसणार आहे. याच्यामध्ये डायरेक्टली काय करणार आहे आपण? डायरेक्टली प्रोग्रामिंग. सी सबमेन आलेला आहे. This is your model, model 1, submain, end sum, and end model. So we will write directly, do our programming. We are doing the program of, which program we are doing? To find positive and negative number, this one. Okay. In this, I will be typing dim. Dim is used for declaring the variable. Dim a as integer. Okay. So I am giving a data type as a integer. So I have taken one number as a dim a as a integer. Okay. Yeah. Then I will read that number. Okay. What I will do? See, you can see console.writeLine, enter the number. It will ask to enter the number. Okay, dim a as integer. Then for writing on the console application, we will be taking console.writeLine. Okay, writeLine. We will be using console.writeLine. write line. In console.write line, we will be taking enter the कौन बोलता है? Okay, console.write line. In that we will take enter the number, means you will take a number from the user. Enter the number, closing the bracket, enter. Okay, so I have to read that number. When the user will enter some number, I have to read, means I have to, such as in C, we are taking as a printf. In that we are entering enter the number. Okay, and then for reading we use a scanf in C language. The same way here we are using console.write line for enter the number. User will be asked a number, user will enter the number, then we have to read the number and save it in some variable. Which variable we have taken? A equal to console.read line. Okay, there is a console.read line. Okay, so we have taken a console.read line. As you can see in this program, we have just taken opening and closing bracket, means whatever the content will be there, it will be copied in the this one variable A. Okay, this is console.read line. Then we will take a if condition. If A is greater than 0, then this is the syntax of a if condition. Then what we have to do? We have to print C. That we will be taking console.write line. Okay, console.write line, and we will be displaying the number is positive. Okay, if number is greater than 0. Okay, see, you can see if n is greater than console.write number is positive. Okay, then we will be taking a else part. Okay, else. In else part, again we will be giving a condition. If you want to take again if condition, then we can also take it, such as else if. So what will be else part? Console.write line, console.write line, number is negative. Number is negative. Okay, this is number is negative. So this is the simple if condition we have used. We are just taking the number from the user, then we have read the number and save in the variable A. Then we are checking the condition as if A is greater than 0, then it will be positive. Otherwise, it will be a negative number. Okay, then so this is our simple program. I will run the program. Sorry, it is asking for enter the number. So I am writing up and entering the number. Okay, so we will see the output. For that, such as we use the get ch in C language, here we have to use this statement, that is console.read line. Okay, so we will be using a console.read line over here, opening and closing. Okay, so you can again, I will run, I will enter see the number is positive. Okay, everyone understood the program? Simple program आहे, console वरती केलेला आहे आपण. समजलाय सर्वांना?
येस सर.
ओके, स्नॅपशॉट घेऊन टाकायचं तुम्ही. ठीक आहे, प्रोग्रामची प्रॅक्टिस करण्याकरता स्नॅपशॉट घ्यायचं. हे कन्सोलमध्ये करतो, लक्षात घ्या. याच्यामध्ये तुम्हाला वाटत असेल सी टाईप आपण जसं आहे, सी मध्ये जसे प्रोग्राम करता तुम्ही आणि त्याचं आउटपुट असं कन्सोलवरती येतं, त्या प्रकारे आपण कन्सोलमध्ये करतोय. ओके, तर हे झालं. वी हॅव फाइंड आउट द पॉझिटिव्ह अँड निगेटिव्ह नंबर. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट प्रोग्राम वी विल फाइंड, राईट अ प्रोग्राम फॉर फाइंडिंग अ ग्रेटेस्ट अमॉंग द 3 नंबर. 3 नंबर मध्ये ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर फाइंड आउट करायचा आपल्याला. ओके, तर त्याच्याकरता आपण 3 व्हेरिएबल्स लागणार. युजरकडनं ते व्हॅल्यू घेणार, सेव्ह करणार, कंडिशन चेक करणार. इफ ए इज ग्रेटर दॅन बी, then and if a is greater than c, then only a is greater, else greater number is c. Okay, then and if b is greater than c, then what is greater? B is greater, else c. Okay, and if this is your program. So it's a, I will also do this program. Okay, next program is implement the program using if else statement to find the number is even or odd. So this program you have to do. Okay, हे प्रॅक्टिस करायचा. हा प्रोग्राम 3 नंबर फाइंड आउट करायचे आपल्याला, ग्रेटेस्ट अमॉंग द 3 नंबर. 3 नंबर पैकी फाइंड आउट करायचा असेल तर सेम जसा वरचा प्रोग्राम केला आहे, वरती आता जो प्रोग्राम केला त्याच प्रकारे हा प्रोग्राम करायचा आहे तुम्हाला. ओके, युजरकडनं व्हॅल्यू घ्यायच्या, 3 व्हॅल्यूज घ्यायच्या फक्त, आणि कंडिशन चेक करायची. इफ इट इज ग्रेट ए अँड ग्रेटर दॅन बी अँड सी, देन व्हॉट इज ग्रेटर? ए इज ग्रेटर. इफ बी इज ग्रेटर दॅन सी, देन व्हॉट इज ग्रेटर? बी, or else it will c is greater. Okay, तर हा प्रोग्राम प्रत्येकाने करायचा आहे. 3 नंबर पैकी we have to find the greatest number. Next program is to find out the even and odd numbers. It is also a simple program. So you can see over here, this is a simple program. Wait a minute, I will show you this program. See, okay, I'm taking a new project, console application. I am taking console application only. Okay, so this is the program which I have just copied from my file. Okay, so here you can see there are three variables declared: dim, a, b, and c. Then I have taken the values from the user such as a, b, and c and saved in this variable. Okay, returns the, see, you can see returns the number contained in a string in a numeric value. So we have taken a value over here. If a is greater than b, then and a is greater than c, then it will print as a. Otherwise, it is c. Okay, so I will run the program. You can see 4, 6, 7. Okay, the greater number is 7. So this is a simple program which you have also performed in the C language. Okay, त्याच्यानंतर प्रोग्राम्स आहे भरपूर. मी जी फाईल आहे तुम्हाला ही शेअर करणार आहे. त्याच्यामध्ये अजून एक प्रोग्राम आहे, इम्प्लिमेंट प्रोग्राम फॉर इफ एल्स कंट्रोल स्ट्रक्चर इन VB.NET. ठीक आहे, पर्सेंटेज तुम्हाला फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे क्रायटेरिया वाईज. ओके, पर्सेंटेज क्रायटेरिया फेल्स असेल तर इट शुड बी लेस दॅन 40 सेकंड क्लास, इट शुड बी इन 40 and 60 first class, 60 and 75, and distinction it should be above 75. Okay, so you will be using if and else condition. Simple program is there. So there are a lot of program which you will be performing. ठीक आहे, आता if else वरती अजून काही कोणाला अडचण आहे? सिंपल आहे, जसं सी मध्ये आहे सेम वे इथेच आहे. फक्त तुम्हाला जे सिंटॅक्स आहे इफ कंडिशन and then use करतो याच्यात. ठीक आहे, we use if condition and then we write the statement. For else we use the simple else, and at the end we use end if. Okay, we use end if. हे समजलंय सगळ्यांना? सिंपल प्रॅक्टिकल होतं if else कंट्रोल स्ट्रक्चर. कोणाला काय अडचण याच्यात? या इफ एल्स मध्ये सिंपल आहे, प्रत्येकाने ट्राय करायचे. ही फाईल मी शेअर करणार आहे, सो एव्हरीवन ट्राय. ठीक आहे, तर प्रत्येकाने ट्राय करायचं आहे. आणि शेवटचं जे लेक्चर आहे आपलं 4 to 5 त्याच्यामध्ये मी बघणार आहे कोणकोणाचे झालेले आहे. ओके, तर ही फाईल मी आता शेअर करतोय. We'll be seeing a switch statement. So this is practical number 5. We have to use select case control structure in VB.NET. So how to use select case statement? Okay, so we will do this program also in console application. So I will explain first this program. You can see over here I have declared a variable as a grade as a string. Okay, then I have taken enter your grade from the user and save
visible nahi.
Okay, wait. Okay, so this is practical number 5. In that you will be studying select case statement. It is same as a switch in C. Okay, जसं switch case आहे C मध्ये, त्याच्यामध्ये select case statement आहे, तर ती आपल्याला स्टडी करायची आहे. Okay, so in this program I have taken one variable as a grade, then taken the value from the user and save into a grade variable. Then this grade variable I have taken in select case and grade. Okay, see the syntax of a select case. Okay, we will be writing select case, and then in front of that we will be writing the variable name. Okay, select case and then grade. Okay, then case number 1, that is case in inverted, we will be writing case A. If it is case A, console.writeLine, then it is a high distinction. Okay, if it is case A minus console.writeLine, it is distinction. If it is B, then credit. If C, then he is only pass. And lastly, what we are writing C, case else. Okay, syntax baga. In starting we have writing select case, then the variable, then the cases, case A, cases. These are the cases you will be doing. Okay, then at the end you are writing as a case and else, means this is the default one. Okay, this is the default one. If all the conditions are not true, then what will the student is fail. So we are taking this last condition. And how to end the select case? By using the end select. So this is your syntax for the case select case statement. Okay, select case statement. ठीक आहे, प्रत्येकाला समजले हे. आपण आता एक याच्यावरती एक प्रोग्राम करणार आहोत. आता डिस्कनेक्ट झाल्यानंतर परत कनेक्ट करायचं आहे. डिस्कनेक्ट झाल्यानंतर आपण परत कनेक्ट करणार आहोत. 5 मिनिट्स आहे, त्यामध्ये आपण तो प्रोग्राम घेऊन टाकणार आहे. ओके, सो फर्स्ट we will be doing in the console only. So I am taking new project, console application. In that I am taking one variable as a grade, dim grade as a string. Okay, I am taking as a string. After that we will be taking from the user, that what we are taking, console dot write line for taking enter the grade. Okay, we are taking grade as A, B, C. Okay, depending upon that we are selecting the cases. Enter the grade. Okay, we have taken from the user. Then grade equal to, we will be saving that into a grade variable by using a console dot read line. Okay, in the read line, okay, this is console dot read line. After that we will be using a switch case statement. See, this is the syntax for switch case statement, this much. For that, start with the select case. Okay, start with the select case, select, then case. Okay, then grade, what we have taken the variable name as a grade. Okay, so we have start, see, select case, and this is a end select. Okay, select case and end select, end of the select case. Now we will be taking a case. Okay, first we will be taking case A. Means suppose I have provided the grade as A, then it will go in this case. For that we will be writing console dot write line. In that, so we will be giving as a distinction for his distinction. Okay, then after that we will be taking another case. Okay, for that we will be taking case, I am taking only 3, 1 is B, writing console dot write line, first class, or I am taking a pass. Okay, first class, then case C. Okay, case C. If case C is there, we will be writing console.writeLine. WriteLine, it is a pass. Okay, so these are the condition, and we have to write a default. So default case will be case. What is the default case? See, you can see in this program, default case. We will be writing case else for that. Okay, if we will be writing a case else. In that console.writeLine, so it is a fail. Console.writeLine, we will be writing fail. Okay, so this is the program which we have done. Here I am writing console.readline. Okay, so I will run the program. So enter the grade. So I am taking a grade as A. So it is distinction. If I am writing a C, see, I have taken a C.